Hello everyone, welcome to Moulder Creations. Today we are discussing about Snapseed. There is a tool called Healing. It's a really good tool to remove unwanted things from your images, which is this image. I'm just trying to rotate it and trying to remove things on ceiling which you don't want. So I'm just trying to remove all this with the healing tool. So just go wherever you want, zoom in there, and just drag with your fingers like this. So it will be removing it automatically. It will be removing it. So just keep in mind there is the closer colors should be little bit of similar. In this case, for example, this is gray, so the other color is also almost similar to gray, so it will be easy to heal. If you have different colors in your photograph, just go zoom in there, pick the colors is similar to that and drag in there, so it will be healing it like this. It's a really good tool to do. So just keep doing this, you will get a really good result. So I just do it faster, so keep doing that. Zoom wherever you wanted to remove and go there, and I'm just doing it a little faster. You can take some time to do. It will take some time when you do. It will not be correct at first time, but do little practice on this, it will be really good. You can do it with the app itself. Even Photoshop you can do, there are different tools, but this is in your mobile only, you can edit it, and it's really good. So just keep dragging it wherever you want to remove. So that's a really good tool for Snapseed. Lightroom also you have the tool, but we need to pay for that, so it's really good to do it in here. And please subscribe my channel if you're liking the videos, and do that. And you're almost there. Wherever if you feel it is different or overlapping something, you can go back. There is a undo tool also down, so just keep removing, dragging with the tools. Just drag with your finger, it will go, and zoom wherever you want. It will be easy to zoom and do, so you know where proper it goes. So be almost done. Yeah, oh, that's so cool. Actually, it came out really well, and almost we removed. We don't even know it's something it was there before. I'll show you after finishing. I'll show you how is the different looking difference. It's very much, it's really good. And if you have some similar images and something you need to remove from your image, but if you liking that image, because of that object you can't post it, or you can't, it'll not be a good image. So this tool is really good for that. Just try it. See, this is the difference. This was the previous one, before and after. There's so much difference. So it's a really good tool as an mobile app. Yeah, that's all. It's good to go, and you just save it, be healing it. Yes, you done. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and share, like. Thank you.